everyone, and today in this video is going to be a very big news because this video is going to introduce a new challenge for you guys. Literally, this is the best video ever on my YouTube channel, and from today onwards we are gonna be starting 10 days of learning. Yes, today we are gonna start 10 days of learning. And you may ask, what is this 10 days of learning? So 10 days of learning is a scheme which we are starting on our YouTube channel, where we will learn 10 days, and in this 10 days what we are going to learn, let's explore. So in our YouTube channel Technical Puller, we are starting 10 days of learning, and in this 10 days of learning we are going to read some I'm going to explain you what we are gonna learn in this 10 days of learning. So we are gonna learn about IT and computers, and yes, in this 10 days of learning we are gonna learn and explore about IT and computers. IT, as you may all know, information technology, and about computers. We are gonna deeply explore them, and we're gonna start with basics and move to advanced. So this is about IT and computers. And next, about technology. So as you may all know, our channel is based on technical. So technical is actually technology. It's another word. So we are gonna explore deeply in technology. Okay. So about IT and computers and about technology. So these are the two major topics in this 10 days of learning, and this is the first day. So this is first day of 10 days of learning. Let me write it. So yeah, this is the first day of our 10 days of learning program. So if you want to join us, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So from today onwards, this is the first day of our uploading, and from today onwards, when this video is uploaded, you will get continuous 10 days. Continuous 10 days you will get videos. So continuous 10-day videos you will get on our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn and briefly explore the IT environment, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And yeah, the videos will be sharply uploaded night. So yeah, videos will be definitely uploaded 10 days. Okay, continuous 10 days. So if this video is uploaded in the YouTube channel, you will get continuous 10 days of videos. There will be different kinds of videos. First there will be what is programming, what is coding, like that. It will be basics, and then when we reach the end of this 10 days of learning, and we are going to explain briefly how will Windows registry work, how will Windows open file manager and explore the files in the pen drive. So like this, logical videos will be uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can check it out on our YouTube channel. So subscribe and press the bell icon. And yeah, when I'm warning you again, when this video is uploaded, continuous 10 days video will be uploaded, as I'm telling you. And this is the first day of 10 days of learning. So if this video is uploaded, then it is first day of 10 days of learning. So yeah, we are gonna upload the new videos soon. And if you want to get the video, and many people subscribe to our channel but they won't ring the notifications. So if you want to get the videos instantly when we upload, you have to press the bell icon and select to all. Then only we will get our technological videos. And this, after 10 days of learning, we are gonna start another video program which is I'm going to explain it later. But still, after this program ends, we are going to start another program. So this is the first day of 10 days of learning, and yes, learn with me. I am Srujan AY from grade 7th, and yes, I am going to upload 10 days of videos regularly. So yeah, thank you for watching the first day of 10 days of learning, and if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section so that I am going to explain it. So you can just note down all these points here. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share and share it to your other IT fans so that they can also explore our videos. So this is going to be very high level videos actually. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye. And I'm going to see you in the second day of 10 days of learning. Bye. See you the next day.